For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. This is the National Weather Bulletin forecast for 24 hours, 25th of August. Partial break monsoon condition, they are prevailing. Partial because monsoon trough is nearly close to the foothills and only a portion of it is little south of that. The conditions will prevail for another about 2 to 3 days and thereafter revive. These are the highlights of this brief, and the region specific forecast comes to now east and northeast India. First, we have a cyclonic circulation embedded in the monsoon trough which is closer to the foothills. This feature was seen in the previous 24 hours also, and this is what has been causing some rainfall over East India, inclusive parts of Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. In these 24 hours also, this area is going to have rains. Moreover, Bihar and northern parts of West Bengal. Over Bihar, most areas inclusive of Champaran, Gopalganj, Darbhanga, Muzaffarpur and the northeast corner of Araria, Purnia, Bhagalpur, Kishanganj. This is the one which can expect some moderate and possibly some heavy rainfall, particularly place like Phobosganj. Northern parts of Bengal consisting of say Bankura, Malda and then Dinajpur and sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Cooch Behar, Alipurduar, Siliguri, Binaguri, Hashimara. This is the pocket can expect some heavy rainfall. Southern parts of Bengal, not much of activity. Yes, some parts of Jharkhand can go in for some moderate rains inclusive of capital city, that's Ranchi, and then Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Dumka, Gumla, Khunti can have some light to moderate rain shower. Northeastern parts, yes, particularly Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal can expect some widespread rainfall, thundershower activity and heavy at places. Especially Meghalaya and parts of Assam, Lower Assam can expect these heavy activity. Even Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, scattered rain and thundershower are likely in these 24 hours. Coming to the northern parts now, mostly dry weather conditions, especially Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, inclusive of the hilly states, they will not experience any weather activity. Parts of Uttarakhand can expect some rain and thundershower. Similarly, Uttar Pradesh, yes, the eastern parts and along the foothills can expect some rain thundershower activity inclusive of Gorakhpur, Bahraich, Deoria, Balrampur, Kushinagar can expect rain and thundershower. But western parts, West UP, mostly dry weather conditions are going to prevail. The central parts of the country, very little weather over Odisha. Interior parts, possibly isolated thunderstorm activity may be there over Polangir, Koraput, Sambalpur, Titlagarh. Chhattisgarh also not much of weather activity. Yes, isolated can be expected, inclusive Raipur, Durg, Ambikapur region. East MP can expect some rain, that is over Rewa, Satna, Omaria, even including up to Jabalpur, Seoni can expect rain and thundershower. But the western parts of Madhya Pradesh, that should largely be dry. And so will be the state of Gujarat, mostly dry, nothing significant over there. Parts of Maharashtra, in that Vidarbha can expect some rain and thundershower, that too over few locations inclusive of Nagpur, Chandrapur, Gondia, Varda. This the pocket can expect, but then most other parts of Marathwada as well as Madhya Maharashtra not significant weather, and so will be the Konkan region also only light activity expected. Lastly, the southern parts of the country, we have a cyclonic circulation over southwest Bay of Bengal, that's off Tamil Nadu coast. That can cause some rainfall, particularly over the capital city Chennai. Chennai can expect moderate showers. And then along with that, the adjacent area of coastal Andhra Pradesh can also go in for some rain and thundershower. Even the interiors of Rayalaseema, inclusive of Anantapur, Kurnool can have a rain and thundershower activity, which will spill over to interior parts of South Karnataka, inclusive of Bangalore, Hassan, Mysore, Mandya. This the pocket can expect some rainfall. mild activity is expected over coastal parts of Kerala and even Karnataka, coastal parts of Karnataka. Kerala activity is going to pick up after about 48 hours. We can have a spell there lasting for a couple of days, even about 4-5 days or so, but that will happen after 48 hours. Possibly heavy rainfall is expected to come up over most parts of Kerala. That's the weather brief from Skymet. Keep watching for latest information on weather. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.